Hello everybody, my name is Moaaz and
Welcome back.
so as you guys read the title, today we'll be watching the new trailer for Kung Fu Panda together. I haven't watched it yet, I purposefully didn't watch. I saw some screenshots, right? They were really cool to be honest, right? But I wanted to watch together, so yeah, let's watch it together, shall we? And after watching it, we might draw something from the trailer, so stick around for that. And let's watch the trailer.
It is time to take the next step.
That's too loud.
I'm not going to be the dragon warrior anymore?
You
What?
will advance to spiritual leader of the Valley of Peace.
Inner peace. Inner peace.
Keep your surf off my turf!
Dinner, please. Dinner with peas in a sesame soy glaze. This is not working at all.
Ooh, Chai Long.
Tai Lung, big fan.
Is that a chameleon?
Once I possess the kung fu
Oh.
of every master villain,
Yo,
no one will dare question
bro, one
my
shot him.
power.
Not even the great
Ooh.
dragon warrior.
Yo, this looks really good. I love this. This yo,
Who's that?
it has a lot of good visuals.
The most powerful shape-shifting sorceress, the chameleon.
How do I find this? The chameleon.
I'm gonna lead you right to her front door.
It was against an army.
Then we'll just have
Of course, the classic Poe.
to get an army of our own.
What is this place?
The best crooks and criminals live here.
You're a wanted criminal?
You sound surprised. Is it surprising?
Yes, it is.
Now you kids be careful of those fireworks.
Violence makes our tummies tingle.
Why should we help you?
We can take down the chameleon together.
Together.
Being the dragon warrior, it's who I am. Skadoosh. What do I know about being a spiritual leader?
What is it you're holding?
A cookie?
You were chosen to become something more than you already are.
How should we do this? Quick and painless? Or slow and painful?
Wait, what? Oh,
You finally met your match, chameleon.
We're not so different, you and I.
Skadoosh. Stand back. I'm gonna
skadoosh.
kick my butt.
Yeah, that was something. I really enjoyed it, to be honest, right? So I know what I'm gonna draw from the trailer. There was this one scene I really liked. So let's just head over to Photoshop and I will share my thoughts on the trailer while we draw. So yeah, I decided to draw Tai Lung from that scene earlier. I really enjoyed the visuals from that scene particularly, right? So the way I approached this artwork was, first of all, I did the sketch, then threw in the base colors, right? And afterwards, for the shading, right, I took the colors from the scene itself. Since they were so good, I couldn't pass on the opportunity of not using the same palette, right? It was just so good. To be honest, the only reason I drew this frame, and I drew it in my own style, and I know it doesn't look like what we saw in the trailer, so this one is a bit more rough compared to the original design, but hey, so it looks like Tai Lung, so hey, it is what it is, right? And for the coloring style, I went with the cel shading because I thought it would be fitting for this particular artwork, right? And after I was done rendering him in, right, I moved on to do the background, right? So the background was quite easy in my opinion. I threw in some brush strokes, right, and blurred it in, and voila, it came together. So yeah, and after I was done with the background itself, I moved on to do the effects, added some flames and all that. See, I didn't draw these in. I have a folder that I made, and so I just slap everything on. It's just a custom thing. I know what I'm gonna do, so this comes very naturally to me. So after I was done with the effects, there was still something that was bothering me, so I took a break, came back to it, and finally figured out what I don't like about it. It was the composition, right? Though generally I will place the character in the middle, it gives it more emphasis, but for this one I moved it to the side, and that did a trick for me. I was happy with how it was looking, and now there was nothing much to do, so I signed it off, and that was pretty much it. I thoroughly enjoyed this process, as I hope you did watching this video, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Take care. So yeah, that is. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and that's pretty much it from my side. Take care, stay awesome, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.